Hi, my name's Jeff Lai. I'm the owner of Aero Property Management and the managing broker for our second location that just opened this year in Huntsville, Alabama.
Hello, my name is Nathan Fay with Aero Property Management as well. I am the managing broker of our Nashville office.
I've known Matt for a while from NARPM. So I believe it was probably around the end of 2022. We hired our first remote team member with BetterWho, and we still have Jimena with us today. I'm super excited. She has moved up from our receptionist into maintenance coordination and now is my executive assistant at the Huntsville office.
We have three, actually. We've hired two of them through BetterWho.
Yes, our experience with our RTMs is way better than I originally thought. I'm just speaking with some other people here, how nervous they are about having somebody remote and just kind of fear around it. It turned out to be a lot easier than I was first expecting with bringing a remote team member in. And we've practiced the traction, weekly team meetings, and just over a Google Meet are like part of the team every week.
When we hired our first one, it was more Jeff's role at that point. I wasn't as involved in the first hire, but our most recent hire was, 2 months ago, above and beyond expectation. She's already been a team member for 6 to 8 months, knows all of our policies, couldn't be happier.
I really like the training component that came with it. And I like the options now that BetterWho's evolved into the subscription model as we're trying to grow multiple offices. That works really well for us to be able to save and have that subscription-based model instead of the large chunk up front.
My point of contact is Alicia Vasquez, responsive. Alicia is very responsive, thorough. It did take an extra little bit to get the first candidates, but I'm glad because they do the screening on the front end to bring us the highest quality candidates. We got 3 candidates. I interviewed 2. We made a decision on our most current one and again, could not be happier.
I would say trending for me is all the talk of AI, and I've typically been behind the curve on technology, so a little nervous about that, but excited to hear about, I think it's BetterWho.
Ready.
That seems really cool. And that's where we're already clients with the remote team member placement subscription, but to hear more about the coaching is what we're interested in, and especially AI, and be able to use that in our business.
Topics that I'm keeping an eye on or possibly concerned about in the future, or maybe even near future, probably would be government regulation, that kind of stuff. I don't know how else to put it, but
I've heard this from this convention, broker owner. There's a lot of confusion because there's so much tech out there on how to efficiently pick and choose what are the right ones. So, that may be part of the consulting that's offered. I don't know, because we're interested in consulting on how to choose what are the best tech software packages or things out there to help implement your business to streamline it. Where's it make sense to have everything? And some of them do certain things, but not others. So it's really hard to navigate. I mean, there's tons of vendors here at the conference just keeping up with trends.
well, even our current RTMs, when they'll send me an email and I can see they're already using AI,
which is fine. I'm
it's
happy.
great.
Yeah, it's a tool.
Yes, that's how you know.
Anyone thinking about working with BetterWho? I wish I would have done it earlier.
Totally agree. If anyone's on the fence about working with BetterWho, I just say do it.